Hi, the Hermit here at the south corner, the cloister at Three Creeks, and I'm going to tell you a story that nature told me. Nature is just full of amazing stories if you have the time and the understanding to look at them. The story here is of the battle of a tree with Stoney Creek. First of all, this is a place where Stoney Creek splits onto into an island, with the main flow going off here on the left, the other flow going off here on the right, and at the front end of the island there's that piled up lumber. It tells you, nature telling you what kind of violent flooding Stoney Creek can have, and yet this tree at the prow of the island, a pretty healthy looking basswood, is holding back the water and making it split. Or is it? Maybe the actual split starts right here with this paltry little sycamore that gets battered and beat down over and over, and yet rises again. Sycamores are probably the only tree that actually prefers the stream beds here, and I don't quite know why, but apparently they can't compete in the general forest canopy, so their only niche in this area is right in the stream beds. Well, is this guy gonna survive and make it to the canopy above, which there is an opening? Or are the floods going to keep coming, beating it down like its former older stem there, kind of beating it flat down against the ground over and over? Well, only time will tell, but this battle of this sycamore versus Stoney Creek is one of nature's little stories that, if you take the time to let nature tell you them, they're just fascinating.